Hey guys, the following video is brought to you by American Collectors Insurance. Stick around towards the end for some more information.
Hello, my name is John Price. We are in Salt Lake City, Utah. We're here at Log 40 with all the Lotus owners. I brought this 1991 Lotus Elan. So back in 2007, I was leasing a car and my lease was about up and I was looking for a convertible. And so then it was, the hunt for a new car, basically. Googling around, found this one for sale in Georgia and had it shipped to Colorado for me. I will say that shortly after we got it, we joined Lotus Colorado Car Club, and they were doing a drive in the mountains up a road called Squaw Pass in Colorado that takes you up to Echo Lake. We were driving up there, we had the top down, my wife was riding along with me, and it started to snow. But I was a top down, I'm not going to put the top up. You were just going to turn the heater on and grin and bear it. And, it was a beautiful drive, all that inside. And the president of the club, his wife christened me that day, Top Down John. And so I try as best as I can to keep the top down whenever I am driving this car. Well, the most unique thing about this compared to other Lotuses is front wheel drive. That was kind of a ding against it back in the day. People were like, oh, it's not a true sports car because it's front wheel drive. But actually, the idea was that 90% of the time, for 90% of the drivers, it can go faster than anything else on the road. If you don't know what the road's got ahead of you, that front wheel drive is kind of a lifesaver versus, an oversteering rear wheel drive car. What it shares in common with many other Lotuses is the general design of the car. Back then they used an interior backbone of steel for the chassis. The rest of it is fiberglass to keep it light. And again, lightweight is a hallmark of Lotus. So lightweight handling, that kind of thing, that's all part of the Lotus DNA, if you want to call it that. But I'd say a lot of it has to do with the history of the company. They started out small British company, but we're kind of giant killers back in the day. Colin Chapman, who started the company, he was pretty much a genius when it came to figuring out how to make cars go fast with limited resources. So there's that history of it. Formula One, they were incredible in Formula One back in the day. The appeals across generations. Whoever's a car guy, young or old, they kind of know about Lotus and like them. Biggest thing is find other Lotus people in your community if there are any. If not, go online or whatever, but get into a club, join a club, and you have all the resources you can imagine with you. In closing, I'd just say if you're in Colorado and you own a Lotus, join Lotus Colorado, Loco. And we're called Loco for a reason, and it's a lot of fun. We have a great club, great group of people to be in with, and we'll welcome you in with open arms, and you can come and have fun with us in our cars.
All right. Go to www.americancollectors.com to get your free quote today and see how much you can save. Thanks for watching.